Okay, so we've got that cleaned up. We've knocked all the scale off of it. We got her marked as close to center as we can get. We're gonna take her out there, cut it in two, put the shiny parts together, tack it with the welder, and then we're gonna start forge welding some more. That's where we're at. All right, cut, cleaned. Now let's go tack them together. Here we go. Tacked up. Just wanted to pop in here and say, hey, thanks to all the new subscribers. Thanks to all you guys that show up and keep watching. I really do appreciate it. Hope you're enjoying something and enjoying watching me learn as I learn how to do whatever it is I try to do at the moment. Hey, sorry about the camera angle, by the way. I'm sure the last thing you needed to see was a close-up of my saggy Wranglers on my old cowboy butt. But it's what it is. That's what we look like at 8 layers. We're getting a little better at drawing, making things even. Now I just got to decide how to cut it up and weld it back together again. I'll let you know when I figure it out. All right, so I didn't film this one. This was going from 8 to 16 layers, and we are getting, let me get my finger out of the way, perilously thin. And we started out at about 8, I think 8.5. We drew her out. Now we're that thin and we're only at 6.5. So I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean these up. We're gonna add a third steel in there. We don't care what kind of pattern we get. We're just running out of material. So I thought maybe that was gonna be the case when we started. So we'll see. This is 1095. It's got less chrome and vanadium than the other two steels, so it'll be darker. So maybe we'll end up with a little more contrast in there. So, I'm not gonna make you watch me heat, beat, and repeat. So I'll bring you back. So we needed to greatly increase our thickness. We've done that. We've got 1095 or billet, 1095 or billet, 1095 or billet, 1095. So we've got 3 pieces that are already 16 layers. Add those all together, get you to 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. We'll go weld those up, put them in the forge and hope it works. My goodness, I hope this works. Okay, there we are. We're welded up. That gets us our 52 layers. If this welds, I'll draw it out one more time, cut it in half, forge weld it one more time. That'll get us 104, and then hopefully we got enough left to make a knife of some kind. Oh, hope this works. Well, here's our 52 layers. Sanded, etched a little bit with acetone. I think we're okay. We're gonna call this a video. Appreciate everybody that shows up.